Welcome to the End to Nutrition channel, your guiding compass in the world of health and fitness. Today, we're peeling back the layers of post-workout nutrition. So, whether you're a gym enthusiast or an aspiring athlete, let's set the record straight on what to eat for recovery. Post-workout nutrition is often seen as a simple equation: proteins, carbs, and you're on the right track. But the truth? It's more complex than common myths suggest. The 3-to-1 carb-to-protein ratio has been a long-standing belief for many. While it's not without basis, individual needs often require a more tailored approach. Let's talk about sports drinks. Convenient, sure, but whole foods might be your better bet. They offer a richer nutrient profile minus the processed sugars. And then there's the anabolic window, that post-exercise rush for nutrients. However, recent science suggests that muscle synthesis isn't confined to just 30 minutes after your workout. It's a 24-hour cycle. Shifting focus, plant-based proteins are muscling their way into the spotlight. They're not just for vegans, but can be a powerhouse for anyone's recovery regime. It's not just about that one big post-workout meal. Your entire day's nutrition fuels recovery and muscle growth. And let's not forget the importance of mindfulness. It's not always about the quick fixes, like shakes, but about being present and listening to your body's needs. Every individual is unique: your body, your fitness level, your goals. And your post-workout nutrition should reflect that. Break free from the one-size-fits-all mindset and tailor your nutrition to you. Post-workout nutrition is critical, but it's not set in stone. It's a personal journey, one that requires attention and knowledge. Be proactive, stay informed, and above all, listen to your body. Thank you for joining us today. Dive deeper into the science of recovery and beyond at www.getendtonutrition.com. Until next time, keep striving for your best self.